So I recently just purchased the solar panel pond pump. I did something a little different where I kind of just took this old this water pump, and I kind of just made it something a part of the garden. The pump is right there. Not sure if you can say it's right under these rocks, and it came with this tubing where I kind of have it running through this old pump and kind of coming out like that, which is really neat, and we really enjoy it. And the best part about this is it's no electricity. It's all solar panel. Now you can kind of see this wire that runs directly here. So this is the solar panel. I still got to fix this. I'm gonna probably run the wire maybe underneath this brick, but I have the solar panel all the way over here in direct sunlight. So which is really cool, and it's a pretty decent size solar panel, which is awesome. And I had that stabbed directly into this flower pot. Still not, I think I'm going to place it down here, a more permanent way to have it, but yeah, but definitely very impressed with the quality and the pressure of the pump and everything. But yeah, definitely recommend this. It's definitely pretty awesome, and it's a great addition to your garden or yard.